Alright guys, the moment of truth. We finally, after 23 years on the boat, I finally have a deck scrubbing machine, Karcher. Yeah man, so this is it, the first time we're gonna use it on the deck. So we'll see how it goes. Brand spanking new. I'm scrubbing deck at the moment because our jet ski and the tender is off the deck, so may as well scrub it while the deck is free of obstacles. It's like hitting two birds on one stone. Yeah man, so I'm doing the step one, and I've done that area over there, the bright part. So now I'm doing this area. I'm doing it by sections because it's a bit hot today and it dries up on you if you do big surface, you know. Yeah, step one at the moment, and then later on we'll do step two. Oh, video ni ha, video ni Rel, video. Pasik video ba yan eh? Hampir Ariel yan ang gabi eh. Ha?